Hyundai revealed the 2026 Palisade XRT Pro, a bold addition to its flagship 3-row SUV lineup, designed to blend rugged capability with premium comfort. Unveiled with a striking redesign and available hybrid powertrain and off-road prowess, this model aims to compete with heavyweights like the Ford Explorer, Toyota Grand Highlander, and Kia Telluride. Starting at $49,370, excluding $1,495 destination charge, the XRT Pro brings a new level of versatility to the Palisade family, catering to adventure seekers and families alike. Unlike its predecessor's XRT trim, which leaned heavily on aesthetics, the 2026 Palisade XRT Pro is built for the trail. It boasts an electronic limited-slip rear differential (ELSD), terrain-specific drive modes (mud, sand, snow), and 255/60 R18 Continental cross-contact all-terrain tires. With 8.4 inches of ground clearance, 1 inch higher than other trims, and improved approach 20.5 degrees, departure 22.4 degrees, and breakover angle 18.3 degrees, the XRT Pro tackles rugged terrain with ease. Functional red recovery hooks, a factory-installed tow hitch, and a surround view monitor with forward ground view enhance its off-road credentials. Real-time pitch, roll, compass, and elevation displays keep drivers informed, while downhill brake control and tow mode ensure stability. The XRT Pro's exterior exudes rugged sophistication. Exclusive 18-inch dark finish alloy wheels, blacked-out grille, window surrounds, and cladding create a muscular stance. The vibrant Ecotronic gray paint option complements its aggressive look, while a power sunroof and distinctive XRT Pro badging add flair. The 2026 Palisade is 2.5 inches longer, 200.4 inches, with a 2.7-inch longer wheelbase, 116.9 inches, enhancing its commanding presence. Stacked LED headlights, active grille shutters, and a hidden rear wiper contribute to a sleek, modern design.
The XRT Pro is powered exclusively by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 287 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and H-Track all-wheel drive. While this engine delivers smooth performance and a 5,000-pound towing capacity, it falls slightly short of competitors in outright power. For those prioritizing efficiency, a 2.5-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, arriving later in 2025, offers 329 horsepower, 339 pound-feet of torque, and a targeted 34 mpg combined with a 619-mile range. The hybrid, however, isn't available on the XRT Pro, limiting its appeal for eco-conscious adventurers. Inside, the XRT Pro balances rugged utility with luxury. H-Tex leatherette seats with heating and ventilation, a heated steering wheel, and a 14-speaker Bose audio system create a premium ambience. The cabin features a panoramic 12.3-inch dual-display setup for infotainment and gauges, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 100-watt USB-C ports across all rows. A UVC sterilization compartment and Hyundai's Digital Key 2 add modern convenience. The XRT Pro seats 7 with power-adjustable second and third row seats for easy cargo configuration. Cargo space ranges from 19.1 cubic feet behind the third row to 86.7 cubic feet with all seats folded. Hyundai's SmartSense suite is standard, including blind spot cameras, forward collision avoidance, and navigation-based adaptive cruise control. The XRT Pro's integrated dual-camera dash cam records continuously, with footage accessible via the infotainment system or on micro SD card. Additional features like safe exit assist, third-row seatbelt pretensioners, and a driver monitoring system enhance safety. The surround view monitor with forward ground view is particularly useful for off-road navigation. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade XRT Pro redefines the 3-row SUV with its blend of off-road capability, premium comfort, and advanced tech. While the V6's power is adequate, the hybrid's absence on this trim may disappoint some. Nonetheless, its rugged enhancements, spacious interior, and competitive pricing make it a compelling choice for families venturing beyond the pavement. Hyundai has crafted a versatile SUV that stands tall in a crowded segment, ready to take on trails and ballet stands alike.